basketball fans, you've got it on 2K Sports as we get set to bring you an exciting NBA basketball game. Our broadcast team tonight, on one side, Greg Anthony. On the other side, Steve Smith. And on the sideline, David Aldridge. I'm Kevin Harlan. It's the Chicago Bulls taking on the Boston Celtics. And it's Chicago to start out. Let's take a look at the Bulls' opening lineup. They've got Harper. Dennis Rodman is out there with Pippen. Then it's Longley. And it's Jordan in at the shooting guard position. Harper against Johnson. Stolen by Pippen. Fast break. Here comes Chicago. And Pippen slams it in.
He takes advantage of them in every way possible.
And Greg, he lures them into a trap on the steal and then bang, straight to the bucket.
Great activity at both ends. Great teamwork as well.
McHale, first shot, first basket. He's out of the blocks fast.
After absorbing the contact.
Harper against Johnson. Passes to Ainge. Shot from 12. And McHale the basket on the assist by Ainge. Pippen the pass to Rodman. Jordan against Johnson. Pippen for three. Buries the long-range jumper. McHale outside. Pass to Bird. Nice concentration to hit the double clutch layup. Johnson surveying the floor. The feed to Bird. Gets it and the foul. Larry Bird finishing through contact.
And the ultimate combo guard. Johnson can pass with the league's best playmakers.
Bird left side. Tough shot by Bird, but he gets it to go.
And obviously you know about the deep range, but Bird just as lethal, working the angles on the interior.
The Celtics have Johnson with the bounce pass. Here's McHale. Back to Johnson. Banked in off the glass. Johnson's got his second. Pass to McHale. Shoots a fader. That's good, and Johnson with the assist. Johnson's got his third assist on the night.
And fantastic length. The touch on the jump shot. Almost impossible to stop McHale from mid-range.
Back to Rodman, to the paint. Here's Jordan, and slam dunk by Jordan. 6 changes of the lead here.
Yeah, both teams still kind of feeling their way through this game.
Pass to Pippen. Over Johnson. Rebound, Parrish. Now Ainge. Knocked away. The drive by Jordan, and it's Jordan with the jam.
Yeah, reading the defense, knowing exactly what's needed at each moment. That's one of Jordan's unsung talents.
Here's Pippen. 5 to shoot. Shoots over Bird. Another shot. Sally passes to Rodman. Michael Jordan on the wing. Ainge covering. And count it. The shot is good. He'll go to the free throw line.
Yeah, that was the third straight high percentage look the defense has allowed. The defenders have got to start putting bodies on bodies.
The Bulls leading by 4. Jordan with it. Guarded now by Larry Bird. Jordan. Whistle blows. Bucket is good. And he'll have a chance at the line to make it a 3-point play.
And defensively, they are on their heels every time the ball comes inside.
He's made all 3 of his free throws. Bird outside. Shot clock at 6. And stolen by Jordan. And here we go. The Bulls fast break. And Kerr gets it to go on the assist from Michael Jordan. And so it's the Chicago Bulls with their lead standing at 6 points here at the end of the quarter. They're pounding the ball inside, and that's where they've gotten their best production tonight. And we'll be back with you shortly. And we welcome you back to Game 4 on 2K Sports. And from what we've seen so far from the Bulls, what's your take?
Throughout that first, they just were aggressive on the defensive end, showing active hands.
And they took advantage of some careless ball handling, some careless passing. You have to be more careful.
Now here's Jordan. And the dunk by Jordan.
And that is a great move off the baseline and a big-time play at the basket.
A great, fantastic reverse dunk. Here's Simpkins. Walton defending. Passes it to Bushley. The offensive rebound. Hits. Count that one from Simpkins. Simpkins got his first 2 points of the night. Here. Only giving up 6 here in this quarter. And they're running. Outside Pippen. McHale against Rodman. There's the pass to Bushley. Back to Rodman. It's Pippen on the wing. Just 5 to shoot. And another make to his scoring column. His 5th basket of the game. Now shooting 5 of 11. It's been 8 unanswered points for him. Harper the pass to Rodman. Pippen dishes to Harper. And the rejection by Parrish. Bird against Pippen. Poked loose. And they're on the break. Here's Harper. Finished off the break. Harper's got his 2nd basket of the game.
Their brand of basketball.
Now here's Johnson. He's got 6.
And they just can't find a way to end this thing. Nothing falling right now.
All you see is a lot of frustration. Someone needs to step up and make a play to turn this thing around.
Pippen, simply put, one of the best small forwards of all time. A defensive powerhouse and a fearless scorer.
And he knocks down the first one. Johnson up top. He's guarded by Harper. Outside Pippen. Parrish against Longley. Back to Pippen. Clock at 6. The Bulls need to get a shot off here. Longley with the bucket.
Always a surefire way to get back in the game.
Harper's shot's good.
And that bucket adds to what has been a big difference in points in the paint between the two teams.
Here's Johnson. He's got 6. Kicks it to Bird. Launches it. That's in, coming off the assist from Johnson.
And at this point, I wouldn't expect them to.
Here's Parrish after the made shot from Scottie Pippen. Jumps up, and it's Pippen slamming it down.
Good job there. Jordan getting them in transition, and he does so much. You almost forget how dominant he can be defensively.
Stolen by Parrish. Ainge against Rodman. And the refs are going to rule that unnecessary contact. It's a flagrant 1 foul.
And Kevin, that's a pretty dangerous play right there. I mean, I don't like to see a player put an opponent in harm's way, as much as you just saw him do there. Glad they pinned a flagrant on him.
Yeah, you're right, Greg. The officials were all over it. They weren't going to let him off the hook that time, and he makes the first.
Ainge, just one of those guys that likes to annoy, an energetic scorer who can shoot a high percentage from the field.
And good on the second, so he makes them both.
Hey, guys, this is the way to stay in the game. They're doing a masterful job from the line. Perfect this quarter.
Rabs checked in for Kevin McHale. Then for the Bulls. Simpkins, he's checked in for Longley. 20 points for him. Kukoc passes to Pippen. Deflects the pass. Oh, and here comes Johnson all alone. Drops in the breakaway layup. Johnson's got 4 this quarter.
And there's that transition offense. Push the ball up the floor. The defense can't get set, and you can get some easy baskets here.
Jordan against Johnson. Pass to Pippen. Here's Bird. And denied. He sends it right off the glass. Fades and shoots. Jordan's shot is off. Celtics on offense. On the wing, Bird. 6 on the shot clock. And here's Bird from the arc. Second shot opportunity. It's blocked. And he gets it back. A floater. And the last second attempt does not go in for him. And so it's the Chicago Bulls holding on to an 11-point cushion as we get ready to take a break. Their defense has been active and effective. Right back after this break.
The 2K Sports Halftime Show.
Hello again, everybody. Halfway through this round 1 matchup of the NBA playoffs, Ernie Johnson, Kenny Smith, and Shaq. Looking at the Bulls, they're on the cusp of sweeping this series, and it's an opportunity they're not ready to let slip away. They were in control in the first half and don't look like they'll be backing down in the second. And Shaq, what did you see out there from the Bulls?
Well, Kenny knows about this. I used to do this to his team all the time. Take advantage of you down low. Mismatch. Barbecue chicken alert. Make good entry passes. That led to some good looks. Obviously, a lot of points. When you control the paint, Ernie, you control the game. I was the master of controlling vibrant Shaquille.
Kenny, how'd you think the Celtics were playing?
To me, they looked out of sync shooting the basketball. Under 40% for the first half. Some of it was poor shot selection, but mostly it just looked like they were out of rhythm. For the second half, they need to push more for buckets in transition. Get to the foul line a little bit more. Try to get back in the flow.
And that'll do it for us. The third quarter about to begin with Kevin Harlan standing by.
We're with you again as our round 1 coverage continues. What a game we're seeing from Michael Jordan.
Yeah, and just look at the numbers from the first half. He has been very efficient.
And it's not like everything's been at the rim. There's been a number of jump shots along the way.
Well, it doesn't get much better than playoff basketball. Let's get back to the action here in round 1. Taking a look at the Bulls. Harper's out there with Michael Jordan. Then there's Pippen. Then it's Rodman. And it's Longley in at the center, filling out the middle. Here's Bird. He gets it to fall. That makes it just a single-digit lead. Outside, Rodman. Jordan against Johnson. And 2 free throws coming up. Unable to get that one to go with all the contact. It goes on Dennis Johnson.
As if Jordan weren't challenging enough to guard. The little up fake there, putting the defender at his mercy.
The pass to Ainge. He dishes it to McHale. And it's blocked. They get it back. And yes, it's good. Pippen, the pass to Harper. Now here's Rodman. Ainge covering. Stolen by Bird. Here's the floater. Basket made. That gives him 7 field goals in 13 tries. Jordan against Johnson. Shot clock at 6. The turnaround. Kevin McHale pulls it in. McHale's got 4 rebounds in this game. Passes it to Ainge. And he jams it after taking the nice feed on the run.
He just punched the ticket on that one. That'll get the job done.
Powerful 2-hand jam. Pippen dishes to Rodman. Pass to Jordan to the middle. Here's Pippen. And foul on the shot. So he'll get a chance at the line. Robert Parrish picks one up there. For Chicago, they haven't made a mistake at the line yet. 10 of 10. And the first one drops. 2.5 minutes off the clock now here in the third. Floats one up, and he's fouled pretty hard on that shot, but he's got the chance to pick up the points at the line.
Hey, you know, for a guy who sat on the bench his senior year of high school and was barely noticed by college recruiters, boy, DJ's proved a lot of people wrong.
And that one falls. Pippen against Bird. To the paint. It's deflected. Here's Wedman. There's the killer two-handed slam.
Gotta take.
Turnovers are costly, especially when the game is close.
Here's Jordan following the bucket by the Celtics. Over Johnson. The fadeaway jumper nailed by Michael Jordan. The pass to Bird. Here's Walton. It's deflected. Walton against Longley. Clock at 4. Here's Jordan on the mark with the 15-footer. Jordan's got 26. And they double up Jordan. Pass to Kukoc. Fires for 3. The rebound by Walton. Walton's got 4 rebounds now tonight. Guys are looking for a spark here.
Yeah, a cold stretch offensively for sure.
Ainge is checked in. The Bulls making a change here as well. Steve Kerr's checked in for Harper. Ainge kicks to Bird. Gets a very good look and converts. Jordan the pass to Kerr. Now here's Jordan. And Jordan slams it home.
You won't find a much more entertaining sight. I'd call that slam dunk contest level.
Ainge with the ball. Pass to McHale. Rodman with the block. And he's able to get it back. And that one, good. Bushler's checked in for the Bulls. And taken away by Johnson. Here's Ainge. Kept alive. Tries again. Yes! And the foul. Passes it to Kukoc. It's Jordan on the wing. And they double up Jordan. Takes the 3. Gets it to go from beyond the arc. Bushler's got himself on the board with 3 there.
Yeah, and this is what happens when you have a scorer like Jordan on the floor here.
And here's Kerr. Pass to Bushler. And here's Edwards. 5 on the clock. Outside Jordan. Over Johnson. A shot by Jordan, no good.
And they haven't been able to turn it into a big lead, but their rebound advantage is starting to add up. And you talk about fighting your way back into it.
They just stuck with the game plan.
Pass to Kukoc. Right block shot, and it's Jordan. That time on the assist by Kukoc.
He's taken over this game.
Here's Bird. Here's Jones. It's hauled in by the Bulls. Edwards got his 4th rebound in this one. No problems knocking that one down. Bird's got 8 here in the quarter. Now the pass to Kerr. Bulls moving the ball around. And the dunk by Jordan.
Yeah, and what you love about Kukoc, the versatility on offense and the terrific court vision.
It's a close game here in Boston. Shot clock and game clock separated by less than 6 seconds. Passes to Johnson. Uncovered. Rebounded by Rodman. Rodman's got his 7th rebound of the game with that last one. Now Harper. He's got 8. It's tipped. It's stolen by Johnson. And we'll be right back after this. How about a look at today's State Farm assist of the game?
And I'm glad this was the pick because I love this pass. Such a great dish. That's what I call court vision.
Yeah, you also have the location of the pass. Puts it right where it needs to be, where his man can do something with it.
NBA playoff round one. Thanks for joining us as we get back to the action on the court. Rav is out there with Parrish. Then there's Ainge. Then there's Bird. And it's Johnson in at the one. That's the Boston Five. They grab their own miss. Shooting foul as the whistle blows. He'll shoot 2 free throws. They trail by 3. Bird outside. That's good, and Johnson with the assist. Johnson's got his 8th assist in the game.
And that's right in his wheelhouse, looking to make an impact when it counts.
It's the 4th quarter, and it's a close game. You want to get the ball to someone you can rely on.
4th quarter still young, just over a minute play. Outside Jordan. 6 to shoot. And slam dunk by Jordan.
Oh, inflicting some punishment with the 2-hand flush.
They're going for the throat. Now, here is Ainge. Pass to Johnson. And we've made our way through just over a minute and a half in this 4th quarter. Here's Rab. It counts. And the foul. That one on Kukoc. That's blocked by Bird. And pushing it up. Here's Boston. Johnson wide open. He fires. To tie it up. It's hauled in by the Bulls. Rodman's got his 8th rebound here tonight. Inside, Bushler. And contact on the shot, so he'll be shooting free throw. Ainge up top. Elbow shot. Boston again missing. The Bulls leading by 4. Here's Kerr. Outside Pippen. Clock at 6. And it's Pippen with the jam.
Oh, phenomenal alley-oop slam there.
They are taking advantage of a team that looks lost out there. 4th quarter here. Johnson, the pass to McHale. Over Kukoc. McHale misses.
You know what? Just a little fancy on that possession there. Just go up in rhythm.
Pass to Bushler. Stolen by Ainge. Lays it in off the breakaway. We've played just over 3.5 minutes now in the 4th quarter. Here's Kerr. The shot's good on the assist by Pippen. And the Bulls lead by 6. And he drops in the layup off the glass.
And you want him taking big shots for you in big moments. That one was as easy as it gets.
Defensively.
Here's Kerr after Kevin McHale's score. Kukoc passes to Pippen. 6 to shoot. Over Bird. The putback controls the rebound and puts it back up and in.
You know, we talk about it all the time, guys. Those second chance buckets, always the result of that extra effort.
He gets it in there.
Not just swinging the ball around the perimeter. Aggressive move inside.
It's Pippen on the wing. Knocked loose. Bird against Pippen. Outside Pippen. Here's the pass to Bushler. Some nice ball movement here by Chicago. And again, Chicago, no good.
And all quarter long, it's been the same story. Inconsistent with his offense.
Shot's good by McHale. Bird against Pippen. Here we go, one-on-one. Here's Ainge. The shot goes down and gets this game back to even.
Moving it around, 8 of their last 10 coming off assists.
Time called here. The Bulls decide to talk it over. Now the presentation of our Jordan Player of the Game, Michael Jordan.
And guys, no doubt who our pick was going to be. He's made everyone else on the court look like they're playing at half speed. It's been total domination, and you can't help but just sit back and admire that performance.
Catching up on the changes for Chicago. Longley's checked in for Kukoc. Jordan comes in for Bushel. And it's Harper in for Steve Kerr. Okay, well, let's go down to David Aldridge for a report from the sideline.
Well, I was able to listen in on what the Bulls coach was going over with his team. He told them, hey, guys, this is a close game, but if we execute right here, I like our chances. There's no need for hero ball. Trust one another. Make the simple play. Kevin, back to you.
Dennis Johnson on the wing, guarded by Jordan. Johnson, the pass to Pierce. Just 4 to shoot. Steps back and fires. And the rebound paying off as they pick up 2 on the second. Pass to Pippen. Rodman with the ball. Here's Jordan. He's guarded by McHale. Longley passes to Harper. Now Longley. And he takes it in for the layup off a very nice feed.
Gotta have better shot selection.
Bird against Longley. Jordan high post. Pass to Longley. And it's good. Assisting on the play was Jordan. Longley's got 6 here in this quarter.
Really good job there. That's the definition of the inside-out game.
To the inside. Here's Bird. Played in with a nice touch off the glass.
Has anybody ever personified excellence in all areas of play the way that Larry Bird does? But more importantly, he's got that clutch G.
Now here's Pippen. Rodman passes to Jordan. And that one's good by Pippen. And the Bulls lead by 6.
Some guys just understand how to generate points. He's one of them.
Now a timeout called by Boston. They're down by 6. 52 seconds left in the fourth. There's 49 seconds left to play here in the fourth. Money!
Whoa, that'll wake you up.
He is such a great athlete. And here are the Bulls now. They led the game at 1 point by 20. Jordan, the pass to Rodman. Back to Jordan. Just 5 to shoot. Pass to Longley. That misses off the back. We've got 22 seconds left in the fourth quarter.
That is world class.
Incredible shot with everything on the line coming through for his team.
Time called here. The Bulls decide to talk it over. They're leading by 2. And Chicago has possession. The lead is 2, and they commit an intentional foul. We'll see another one of those so they can get into the penalty.
Had to foul and on that occasion to stop the clock. That's the enemy in this situation.
And so they foul intentionally. He drops the first one, and that makes it a 3-point lead. And so he drops them both. It's a 4-point ball game.
And that's a wrap. Those free throws being the nail in the coffin.
Time called here. The Celtics decide to talk it over. They're trailing by 4. 12 seconds left in the game. What's your take, guys?
Looking for a quick shot, trying to extend the game.
And on the defensive end, they'll have to foul whomever gets the ball. No time left to be picky.
12 seconds left in the fourth quarter. Bird, the pass to Parrish. Here's Ainge. Count it! And that shot brings them to within just 1.
And some kind of switch must have been flipped at halftime because both teams are getting after it.
I would have loved love to hear the coach's speech because they really took heed to it. Like you said, both teams playing at a different pace.
So the first one drops, and that will put them up by 2. And he cannot convert on the second. That misses. And they do it. They'll move on to round 2. What a performance through the entire first round. Greg sweeping in 4 games.
And they really had a tremendous series. Watching how well these guys played as a unit has got to be scary for their round 2 matchup.
Well, that'll do it for now. And you can join us during this first round of the Eastern Conference playoffs. Now for Greg Anthony, Steve Smith, and David Aldridge. This is Kevin Harlan. Thanks for watching the NBA here on 2K Sports. See you next time.